Yo, YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Coyote Mar, back at it with another video. I've been tuned into the channel, man. Y'all already seen the progress with the 5.0, but if you guys haven't watched that video yet, basically the whole suspension on the car is fixed now, so you guys can see we got everything there in place. All we need now is the cams to go in. I did just get the headers, stock headers in. Let me see if I can go ahead and show you guys. So as y'all see, man, we have the stock headers back in. We have to connect it back to the full exhaust. But as y'all see, man, we got the whole camp here. Got my guy Cam. Be sure to go check him out, man, at CamBam392. Got my boy number 4, man. Make sure y'all go check him out on the YouTube.
No.
And come on, man.
On YouTube, man. If you want to check out, go to number 4 or go to the camp page.
On the Instagram, man. I'm gonna be leaving that at the side of the video. Got my boy Tone SS. You see he getting that work in with these brakes.
Tell me, why isn't he wearing gloves?
Cause he's a dumbass slow nigga in the SS. But think I'm gonna burn you on the new setup or what?
Let's just hope and pray that the car don't fall apart.
This little snack ass one elite right here, man. You know I'm gonna have to yum this shit up real soon. Alright, so as you guys see, we got the old Mickeys here. Tread is not too good, but we still got a little tread on there. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on the new wheels. I haven't showed you guys the wheels just yet. Let me go ahead and just open it for you guys. Hold on. Woo! Sheesh. We basically went with the same VMS wheels. The only thing that we did change is let me see, I got an example for you guys. Here goes the old front skinny right here. It is in all black with like the letters and stuff in silver, while the new wheels that we went with for the drag setup in the rears are silver mostly all around, and then inside, as you guys can see, it is black. Let me know down in the comments if you guys do like these over the old ones that we had. I'm actually surprised how these look because I didn't think I was gonna like them too much. I really like them though. We're gonna go ahead and put these on right now so we can get this car sitting back on its feet. Stocks will be going in the front for right now. Like I said, man, if y'all want to stay updated with the channel, be sure to go follow me on Instagram at Coyote Mar. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Be sure to have that notification bell on, and I'll catch you guys when we hit the tire shop.
Go. Jack this nigga! Fuck out of here, Tim! Out the shot!
What you have to do, Jalen?
Man, I snacked that 392 up, nigga. Y'all niggas right know what the one LT1 is about. Shit, nigga, put this shit on the map.
Oh, you fucking slow!
Nigga, I got.
Yeah, like at 100.
Nigga, I was spinning.
Go ahead.
I think it's gonna be kind of janky trying to lift this shit off the ground with it already being on jacks, but we do need the stocks going to the front, so we got to figure this out somehow. I'm gonna try to jack it up from the diff right now and keep you guys updated on how this goes. Woo! As y'all see, man, we got both of the rear drag packs on now. Now we just got to focus on getting the front 2 wheels on. I still got a couple lug nuts that I need to put on, but once we do that, the car should be able to finally sit and roll on its own. We do got an appointment to go get the cams put back in, so that will probably be in this video too. But man, tell me how y'all like this new drag pack. It's kind of more catchy to me, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It kind of looks good. I'm gonna try to lower down this car in just a bit after we get this last front wheel on, and I'm gonna show you guys how the car's looking. All right, y'all, so today's gonna be the first day that we go pick up the car, man. Pretty excited. Haven't had the car in a pretty long time, man. It's been almost a year, not too close to a year, but it's been like eight months, bro, since the car has been crashed and haven't started, and it haven't basically been in my possession. So we finally finna go pick it up right now. The car should be running. Just need to get a little tweak to the suspension after we go pick it up. You're gonna see what I'm talking about later on when we go pick up the car. But the car is running, cams are back in, headers is on, all that good stuff. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are excited to see the 5.0 back up and running, man. If you guys aren't, let me know also. If you guys want to see me get another car, let me know what car you guys would like me to get. A lot of you guys been saying to stay with the 5.0, man, so I want to see you guys' opinion one more time, so be sure to go comment that down below. Enough of this chit chat though, let's finally get into this content, baby. All right, y'all, so we're like 3 minutes away from PK Auto Design right now. Got my guy Cam with me, but we're finna show you guys the car in just a second, so make sure you guys are staying tuned for the rest of this video. Well, I guess we can officially say, man, the 5.0 is back on the channel. Look at this motherfucker. Woo! Wheels a little whoop, but we're gonna get all that situated. First look in the engine bay before it gets broke. Big shout out once again, man, to PK Auto Design. Man, 5.0's finally finna be back. We're on a new setup if you guys didn't see yet. I'm gonna get more into that when we get home, but I'm gonna catch you guys when we get this on the tow truck. First little start. So we got the stock exhaust, well, not the stock, but we got the old exhaust out right now. That's what you see right in front of us. As you guys see, it was a full 3-inch connected to X pipe that went into the little dump, muffler dumps that we bought.
2 hours later.
Sheesh. Look at this motherfucker. Yes, sir. She's finally back home, man.
Car, bro.
What's up, man?
What's up, man? You just need to get a front bumper.
Oh, yeah.
Back to drag.
Yes, sir. You already know the deal with this. This is the only angle niggas is getting anyway, bro. You feel me? So,
Dump, literally.
got that dumped exhaust.
Why the fuck?
All right, y'all, so we just got the car back to the house. As soon as we got the car back, man, we had to go ahead and put on a new 5.0 badge for the side. As you guys can see, still got to make a couple tweaks to the suspension. See, the tires is lopsided. One's going this way, the other one's pointing straight. So we're getting that fixed on the 24th. So that's 2 days from now. Hopefully this video is out today. All right, so for that new setup, we got that Boss 302 manifold. Both the manifold and the throttle body is ported. We are running that P51 intake from my boy Matt 760. If you guys are wondering where you can get this intake at, we'll be leaving that in the description. So be sure to go down in the description and click on that link if you are interested in getting the intake. I have the new upgraded the radiator. As you guys see, that is the SVE radiator. And that's pretty much it for the new setup, man. We got the stock cams back in if you guys are wondering. Personally, do I think this is going to be the best in a setup? No. I think that the Cobra Jet, man, would have still been the king setup for the manifold. If you guys are wondering why I went with the Boss manifold, let me go ahead and show you guys right now. I have some pretty crazy news, but we are selling these in just a second. Sorry for everyone that guessed, man. We had some twin turbos for the car, the on 3 kit, but we are finna sell these in literally like 30 minutes. So I won't be using these for the cars anymore. This was also the bottom mount kit. I'm not too sure which would be better, the bottom mount or the top mount. I know the bottom mount keeps all that cold air from under the car instead of the top mount, which is on top, so it gets all that heat and stuff. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about this setup? Do you guys think I should have kept this setup? Do you guys think I should go with the top mount? Do you guys think I should go Whipple? Let me know what y'all think, man. I want to know what you guys honestly feel about this. gonna lie, man, this setup actually looks like one of the best setups you can run. Now, like I said, I don't think it's the best, but I think it does look the best. Valve manifold would have ran really good with some turbos, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this P51 intake from the bottom, man. This shit goes crazy. All that cold air just gonna be smacking it right there. A lot of content for you guys though once we get the little situation fixed with the suspension and all that. We also do need a tune for the car. You guys heard the car get started earlier. The car wasn't on a tune, so that's probably why it did sound a little funny. All right guys, so that's pretty much the end of this video. Appreciate everybody that tuned into the video and got to this part of the video. But it's your boy Coyote Mar, and